Just had a little conversation with my son here about how difficult real estate is. Many of you have heard he recently got his real estate license. And of course, when you're the son of somebody that's done really well in real estate, kind of the pressure's on you, right? We've got 800 or 900 realtors that have seen as he started building his real estate business. And he just, day before yesterday, maybe 3 days ago, he did his very first Facebook Live. And he's like, Dad, I see you doing Facebook Lives all the time, and it's real easy. I know this won't be a problem at all. It was the most stressful thing he'd ever been through in his life because it was his first one, right? Anytime you do something the first time, it's going to be difficult for you. So I told him, the second one, you will be less bad than you were on your first one. And then the next one after that, you'll be less bad than you were on that one. You keep getting better and better. But the fact is, if you're not communicating with your prospects, the buyers and sellers you're working with, if you're trying the old school approach of like emailing them or calling them or texting them, very, very old school. You already know they don't answer their phone. Your emails get about a 15% open rate. It's just an old school way of doing business. The better approach for you is to start providing actual presentations. Like right now, I'm presenting to you. Okay, I'm not advertising to you. I don't need any money. I don't need to sell you anything. But I'm presenting to you. I could teach you anything. I could show you anything. I could offer you anything. That's what you have to do as a real estate agent in order to stay in touch with all of your leads. The fact is, as you start getting those leads, you get their email address. Don't email them. Load it into custom audience and start providing quality content for them. I want you to start converting a lot more of the leads that you're working with. You've got a lot of competition that's out there right now. One of the biggest problems right now is all of the cash offer programs, and they're getting bigger and bigger. 2 of them just went public on the stock market. They got over $3 billion to work with as far as advertising and expenses. So $3 billion is probably more than you or your brokerage or possibly your whole franchise has available. So you have to know how to compete with them. So we have our coaching retreat coming up. Those of you that are involved with Greg Luther Inner Circle, we have our coaching retreat coming up here in about 3 weeks. That's why I'm burning the midnight oil here, working like crazy, where we'll be covering that. How do you offer the cash offer at full appraised value, which is what they're all doing. I did a video the other day. You can go back in my face. And by the way, you should be following this page. If you're not following the page, you're already missing a bunch of stuff. But I did a video a couple days ago about Gary Keller stepping down as CEO with Keller Williams. He's still obviously involved in that type of stuff, but he stepped down as Keller Williams. OfferPad offering for property. Zillow is doing instant offers. Realtor.com is doing instant offers now. That kind of created a little stir there. Obviously, NAR created Realtor.com and they sold Realtor.com. There was a lot of people commenting, Greg, you don't know that Realtor.com was sold? You know what they sold? They sold what.com? Hold on, what was it? What.com? Did they sell? So now if I don't want to use a realtor, I can go to realtor.com and choose don't use a realtor. Yeah, we're pretty PO'd about that. So of course I know they don't own it anymore, but you know what they sold? Realtor. That's what they freaking sold with us. So of course I know that. Obviously it's hitting a little hot button for me. It's been a long day here today, but the betrayal that causes with the thousands and thousands of dollars we paid all these years and how particular they are. It has to be a capital R or all capital letters, and you can only use it if you sold the freaking term realtor.com, and now they're advertising you can sell your house without a realtor. That's a problem. Like if you think that's a problem. You're a real estate agent. Do you agree that's a problem? That they give away the actual term realtor to anybody to actually advertise, buy a house with no realtor. That's an issue. So anyway, that is one of the issues that we're dealing with. But the cash offer program is working really well. Many brokerages have it. KW has it. EXP has it. Some individuals have it. So lots and lots of people are offering that. And the fact is, you'd better change what you're doing. If you can offer, do you want to list your house or sell your house? Either way at full price, what do you think they would choose? Well, that's the route that it's going nowadays. Okay, that's how it went with LegalZoom. That's how it went with Carvana. That's how it went with Uber. It's just get your instant results. And I'm telling you, the business is changing. Thousands of transactions are happening. And when they can offer 100% of appraised value, instant offer in 48 hours, something you need to know how it works, what the catch is, and how they're doing that legally, morally, and ethically so that you can keep up. Because I'm telling you, all these changes that have happened in this world, the whole pandemic and all the changes we've been dealing with, you have to be able to change. They want to meet less people, talk to less people, less communication, just they want it done. And you have to know how you're going to handle that. So anyway, I'm actually working on that right now as we speak, that session that we're covering at the coaching retreat. So those of you that are registered, you're going to be getting some awesome information there. And we're going to be talking about the cash offer program. If it's under $1 million, I'll buy the damn house for cash. And many of you know that. We're going to be talking about that at the coaching retreat and how we've put that together for you so that you have a good offer. By the way, if you're not getting plenty of business for your own real estate business, check out getfastclosings.com, www.getfastclosings.com. You'll see about a 40-minute training on there on exactly what you can do to grow your business. But look, you got to make some changes. I think we can all agree you have to make some changes because the competition is no longer other agents. The competition is now other offers that are more desirable than other agents or than listing your home. Okay, so I think if you go to the offer they're doing on Realtor.com, it's like list your house with an agent, click here, or for a fast, easy sale at full price with no agent, click here. Something to that effect. I don't know exactly, but basically, like, of course I would click the easier button. Do you want to do lots of sit-ups or would you rather just have perfect abs? Give me the freaking abs. I don't want to do the sit-ups. I don't want the painful part of this. So you have to know how to compete with that. We are drastically changing our offers. We've been testing it out and doing very, very well with it. We will have agents in the room doing over 20 deals a month. They will be there, and you'll be able to see a little bit about kind of what they're doing as well. We'll kind of give you the inside scoop, peel back the curtain on what they're doing. Can't argue with results. You can have opinions all you want. Can't argue with dollars in the bank. So we'll be talking a lot about that. But anyway, if you are not a member with us, or you're just looking to grow your business and have some free marketing approaches that you can make some money with, go to getfastclosings.com. You'll see a whole lot of opinions on here today. As you're watching and reading the comments, that type of thing. By the way, you should be commenting in the comments right now. You should be telling us what city and state you're in. Look at all of the referrals we've been doing. I know a lot of you are using agentreferralmap.com, but we're getting so many even on Facebook where somebody puts in Chicago, Illinois, and everybody's like, oh, I've got somebody that's moving to Chicago, or vice versa. I don't think many are moving to Chicago right now. And the snow fell today, by the way. But anyway, I want you to make sure you check in with where you're from because, hey, we got a big community. I want you to get all the business you can get. If we can stuff some closings in your pocket, even if it's just a few each quarter, it's a game changer for you, and I'm happy to have you here. So hopefully you're getting a lot out of these types of videos. If so, smash the like button here. I think that will help our algorithms to tell you when we have new things that are coming up. Obviously, follow the page and turn on notifications. That's the most important thing. I will be going live from the coaching retreat, just small little 10-minute sessions, 20-minute sessions, things that I think will help you tremendously on that 2 days that we're together. We'll be doing small little 10-minute or 20-minute sessions where we go live and you can see me live on stage, probably way in the back of the room. This room, by the way, I went there today. As a matter of fact, I have it right here. This is the big folder that they gave me. So this room block that they showed me and all the tables and how it's set up, this room is 240 feet long. Just long, not wide, long, 240 feet long, which is a 24-story building dropped on its side. 240 feet long. So we have like multiple TVs and that type of thing. But we're setting everything up and going to have an awesome training. Obviously following the CDC guidelines for social distancing, and everybody has their own 6-foot table and the mask and all the things we got to do that way. Fire marshal will be checking in 4 times a day to make sure everybody is following exactly what we're supposed to. Like I say, I think you'll find that spending 15, 20 minutes with people that know what the hell they're doing. I mean, imagine you can see agents that are doing 10 closings a month, 20 closings a month, and you are able to get the inside scoop on what the best offer they have is. I would fly to Africa for that. Literally, if I'm a real estate agent and I need to grow more business and I can find somebody that says, here's what I'm doing. Here, Greg will show you. Here's my examples. Here's how I do it. I would fly to Africa, literally fly to Africa and spend 10 days there if I have to, because it's a game changer for the rest of your life. You have to tune in with what's working now. This isn't theory. This isn't buying leads. We aren't selling leads or softwares or websites or glow-in-the-dark signs or any of that crap. You got to be out there doing what you're supposed to do to grow your business, okay? So I've been working like crazy, as you can see, as Christina just commented here. I had a call with Christina today, as a matter of fact. I haven't even had time to shave here, but working like crazy because we have an awesome couple of days coming up. This is all for you guys. I don't charge you anything to be there. I do it for you. I don't know, it's costing us 60 grand or something like that. I do it for you at no charge because it's a big, big help for you and your business. So I'll probably work till 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning, start again at 7 a.m., hitting this little treadmill situation I got going on here. So that will be our next 3 weeks getting ready for this coaching retreat. So hopefully you're out there making some money. Get yourself some rest and make tomorrow very profitable for you. If you're not a member with us, go to getfastclosings.com. I feel like I'm rambling at this point, so go to bed. We'll talk to you soon. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.